All right, boy, I tell you. You know, man, it's hard to talk when I'm lost in the sauce. You know, I don't know how much more these crybabies can ask for. A man can only tell you, I mean, you know, I can only tell you what's gonna happen as soon as I can so many times. What do you want me to do? Do the trade for you? You want me to do the trade for you? How'd it end up with BBY? Let's take a look. Oh, I got out right here. Actually, still in that. Looks like she came back up. Thanks for reminding me. Oh, baby. Okay, that looks. Wait a second here. All right. Okay, that's much better. Well, we're doing great. Let's take a look. See, let me get the exact figures on that. Yeah, I took profits already. Boy, what a great soundtrack. You know, we got to do this one more time. All right, let's take a look. See here. Baby, total gain 15.68% for me. I mean, this was taking candy from a baby, folks. This was candy from the baby. The baby in the bathwater and the candy. We're cruising on oil, gold. Oh my, folks, we are on the way to the prophecy, the gold prophecy of a staggering $2,200. Now, if you weren't here yesterday or the day before, I don't know what day it was, sometime in the past 48 hours, live stream, we were somewhere in here, and we were like, here, I said the price is on Monday, Sunday night to Monday, gonna go up $1,300. The price went up from when we were at that point to like $1,325 from whenever that was. This is a 30. Where were we here? What, down here? Monday? What day is it today? Tuesday. So Monday. Let me find out where I'll be exactly right. Close enough. We were right here, went there, $1,331. Now, juxtapose on the 6 hour and the 12 hour, and we said it would have to take. We said it could one candle within 48 hours. All it can take is one or two candles, and folks, We got one fatty candle so far. Now, on the Monday long, I took like 30K. I ended up making 30, 40K, like 30K off Bitcoin, 10K off ETH, and I set a bunch of limits and stops when I went to bed, and then apparently it crashed. Whatever. I was not awake during all that shit. Man, what did I post on Twitter? What time frame? Let me see the Twitter. Hang on here. This is a little. What's going on here? Okay, this ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work here. What do we want to listen to? What do we want to listen to? You know, I was feeling the vibes of the Miami thing. You know, I didn't even, I totally forgot about the whole Miami thing, and it all makes sense. It makes sense. So we're gonna stick with the Miami theme. We should really just replay those two songs we started with. All right. Now, in the bigger picture, we drew this line. We've been getting these slightly higher lows and lower highs. In the grand picture, all this is just boring shit. Let me change this color. All this is just sideways in a stupid triangle where everyone we're gonna get to the end of this triangle and some people are gonna say it's going to 100K and some people are gonna say it's gonna do that, and it's probably gonna do this. Now, we don't care that far in front of the future right now. All we care about is the immediate term and these gains. We care about what we can control. What we can, you know. I gotta. Alrighty. Yeah, I saw that. That was pretty cool. That little Satoshi Nakamoto thing. That was pretty cool. I mean, it doesn't really show us. We know who it. We ain't gonna go down that. We ain't gonna go down that path. Anyways, this has been in plain sight, you know. And so, 2 candles ago, the 1300 get up to the spider line. If it broke, we would take it, but we were willing to wait 48 hours. And, I mean, beautiful momentum wave here. Beautiful curvature. Nice little momentum wave coming up here, too. The 2 hour, gorgeous. This is a gorgeous, simple little pattern here. Like, broop, broop, broop. And we're down here and get boop, boop. Really clear direction for money flow. Beautiful momentum. RSIs, yeah, spread, but in the green. We ain't talking 100,000. We talking 43. We talking 43. And that's all we're asking for. So, Market Cyber say, welcome to the family, bro. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. So yeah, I took heavy profits here. I took heavy profits when it was starting to trickle down because I wanted to get some limit exits. You know what I'm saying? And you know, I think this could have or could go, you know, to 41,000 before maybe another 12-hour time frame or even 24-hour to maybe get up here. Whether it's at the spider line or into the force field. Oh man, this daily, absolutely beautiful curvature all around, money flow, momentum, RSI's in the green. Me like. This is pretty interesting. We do got a little bit of a crash course coming here. And so you're going to hear everyone talking about, it's going to be a decision, it's make or break, it's going to, and maybe so. What day is it? We are still in the first 2 weeks of the month. Typically, first 2 weeks are the good weeks. Got a lot of fundamental shit swinging around. Hopefully, we all live to enjoy these profits without being nuked. It's holding up pretty good. What's going on with the pre-markets here? Yeah, you know, things are so bad right now, man, and man, uh, it's uh, it's hard to believe that things are going to reverse and get better. Um, right on red neither. Spider tutorial helped me nail 80% ROI. Man, some of you guys are insane, man. When we go to the profit logs, dude, and I see you guys posting like 10 out of 10, the people that post 9 out of these ones, there are so many of these that you guys posted. It's like, wow. I mean, you guys blow me away. That's why I want these on the damn testimonial page. All we have on the testimonial page is a bunch of text. I'm telling my guys, say, people are giving us proof in picture. Put the proof in the picture. So I think a lot of you guys are going to start to see some of your logs on our website. Philip, just join the Discord for now. We got to have a meeting and a big discussion on what we're doing with the Market Cipher standalone chat community. Forgive us. I believe very, very soon we're going to be launching our new merch line. Man, I've been trying to tell you folks about commodities for so long. It's so funny when I watch other YouTube crypto shows and everyone's just catching on and saying things that we've been saying for 2 years, year and a half. Go to the website. It's everything you need to know is on the website. Come on, guys. You got the product, haven't? Don't you go to the tutorials? There's a video on how to do everything. How to join the Discord server. Basic strategy, the spider lines. It's all there. When you're a member, you get the risk calculator. It's all there. Yeah, me and old Mike Perry are going to this Miami Bitcoin thing. Me and Mike Perry will be there. Also, Flop and Groper, my brother, will be there too. Let me see if my brother can whip me up some discount codes if you want some. I'll see what I can do here. Right on, Ode Charbellet. Man, post it in the logs, man. Talk about the testimonials. Talk about the logs. Man, it's crazy, man. You know, we are the #1 selling indicator system Probably in the world right now. Like, I mean, definitely number one in crypto. We know that, but you know, the guys on the radio probably got us beat. Obviously, I can't really think of many. I mean, maybe uh, there's some big forex people and shit out there too that I don't know about. But as far as crypto, we're absolutely 100% number one. Do I think we can break 45,000? Yeah, we can do anything, but I believe this is what is most likely. Where we stick in this trend, but the daily does look good. Although I have to say, my guess is it probably is actually similar to, it's gonna end up being like this, where we come up and then the dump ain't over. Shit, maybe I don't know. This is pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good, and with the way things are, I mean, it makes sense. Uh, it makes sense. You know. Makes sense. Golly. Man, that money runs up fast. It's nice when you hit a big move. I mean, and when talking about oil and even gold, when people, the price of everything has gone up basically 100% from its normal price. Oil has been below its like overall average price for a long time, and it's just caught up, and so it's got a long way to go. I think it's got a good long way. Yeah, isn't that crazy, Simone? You know what I was thinking today too? I was like, earlier tonight, a few hours ago. I'm like, when I'm making like these little 50K, 100K profit days, but what I should do is take it out in cash and to remind myself how much money it really is. To keep myself flying straight and not you know being risk averse, responsible, disciplined for me is something that you always have to work on and not get carried away, and so things like that can help keep you that way. I'm sure some of you are the same. Um, Let's see what's going on with force field. Yeah. Man, I love it when things work out just the way you expected them to, and you're in a trade for it. Many a time. You know, I'm sure it happens to y'all all, it's happened to everybody. But you'll see something call out the future, but for one reason or the other, maybe you're not in a trade when the time comes. This one I was. I didn't put any signals out or nothing. Besides me, actually, everybody got the signal Monday morning when we laid out what was going to happen this week, Sunday night. Thanks, Odell. I appreciate it, man. Because, dude, market cipher isn't just one indicator. You know what I'm saying? Like, people that sell quote-unquote indicators, normally their indicators one fucking thing rather than a system of many things. And in those many things, it has to be presented in a clear, clean, effective, and easy thing to follow. There's indicators that I have been thinking, about adding to market cipher, but they don't always look pretty, and there's a certain formula that there's a reason why we are successful and why so many people love market cipher. And then after you use market cipher for a month or two, if it gets taken away, you feel naked, blind, deaf, and dumb, and wonder like how you were doing it before. It's like, what the hell? And then you see things that other people don't. You see a perfect basic strategy, and you'll hear your friend talking about something like, oh yeah, oil's going down probably, huh? You're like, that guy's a fucking idiot. If only he knew. Yeah, the dual band strength index. And dude, that had to be chopped down. My dual band strength index has 4 versions, and then each one of those versions has different shits. But was really able to chop the dual band. So I appreciate that. Was able to chop the dual band strength index down. So but some other stuff is really fucking ugly, and it would just muck up other stuff. But yeah. Why no advanced strategy? Because they're basic strategies, the core, and then people like just use the other indicators, and there you go off. You go from there. What do you mean you're living like Larry? What Crow, man? How's Crow doing? I hope it didn't go up. Oh, Crow's holding pretty fucking good, to be honest with you. This could be a lot worse. It's holding pretty good, relative. You're a normal guy and you're making 2K a month. I hope MC can help me. Listen, bro, K. You need, if you're going to try to start trading, in my opinion, if you have a job where you cannot really afford to lose much money, you need to generate a second income to finance your trading income. Because even if you are given the answers, let's say you master market cipher quickly, which many do. It's not that hard. You just fucking look at basic strategies, don't overcomplicate shit, watch the tutorials. But you still have yourself, which is your enema. Greed. Fear. Greed when you're in a good position in the green and you don't want to take profits because you think it's going to go up forever. Fear when you're in a red position and you just, it can turn around. I hope it turns around. It never does. So, my friend, no matter how good of a system you have, just I beg of you to be responsible. I beg of you not to be a fool. Even if you start out banging 9 out of your first 10 trades and you're happy, that one slip where you go all in, high leverage, DCAing into a mistake of a trade. Don't. What you should do, I'm not going to say what I would do if I was you, is I'd open up a fucking lemonade stand and sell lemonade. And I would use that lemonade to trade. Being the best-selling indicator be a detriment to you by those trying to outtrade you. What do you mean, brother? Expand on your question. There's plenty of people that out-trade me. Trade for much more money, make more money. Nah, he told me he's taking a break anyways. He hasn't gotten back to me. There's a noble ones. I'm trying to get you guys a coupon code. I need someone to fucking make me one. Oh. All right, we got a coupon code coming right up. I got a good one for you guys. We're gonna do 20% off any option for the first 50 people. Bear with me. I'm gonna get you guys a little code. I've already pulled out the majority of I've already closed 2/3 of my trade. I've already realized 82,000 plus 11, like 93, 94,000. We still got 50, 70, like 70 on the unrealized. Shit. I shouldn't have taken any profit. I should have. Just kidding. That's another thing. You got to learn not to give a fuck if you didn't get out at the perfect time. All that matters is if you're profitable and safe. Longevity. You definitely don't want to FOMO after a big fucking move most of the time. Ripple, let's take a look. So that's 74 cents. Yeah. Beginning potential money flow curvature. The RSIs are green, but they're a little sideways on the 2 hour. Zoom out a little bit. Not so much confidence here. Momentum is picking up a little bit, but for me personally, this is not a leveraged position I would take with the risk. I'm better off, much better off with Bitcoin Ethereum for mid-maxing. It's knocking on the door. I mean, it's trying to knock on the door. But look, I mean, we're in a bear trend here, so Longer in the red, little in the green. Longer in the red, little in the green. Yeah, there's too many unknowns here. Looking at the daily. Now the daily, there's actually a little, might have a little hope here. Got a quick, nice momentum jump up right here at these two trigger waves. Looks like money flow overall, kind of like a little head and shoulders matter in anything. Little head and shoulders here. Daily looks better than any other time frame so far. The 2-day does not. This could clip. Yeah. Besides the daily, other than that, I mean, even in, you might get lucky, but this is not a trade I would take. Hopefully it blows up for you. Look at shitter Cardano just because. What happened? What happened, Cardano? Oh, you poor thing. Wow. Is this real? Yikes. Yeah. Hopefully you get lucky on this one again. But yeah, Zcash, my old baby girl, Zcash. Zcash used to be my favorite shitcoin. Little something here on the daily. It definitely looks a little smoother on the daily there. Yeah, again, these moves haven't amounted to much. I wouldn't expect much, but there could be a little something here more for sure. Again, in the big picture of things, let's not fool ourselves going tunnel vision into shitcoins. Bitcoin, Ethereum charting is really what dictates the take. Bitcoin comes up here and it stops. So does everything else. If you really want to chart your shitcoins, chart your Bitcoin. If you want to chart shitcoins, chart your Bitcoin, chart Ethereum, and the rest will follow. Should. Yeah, what's up with that? Charles. Is this true? Charles Hodgkinson? Let me find an article. Charles Cardano, he's faking his academic credentials. Crypto journalist Larson called out the Cardano founder on discrepancies between his claims of graduating with a maths degree on her research indicates he never graduated. So far, Hodgkinson has not responded with his latest lab folks purely on coming up. But whether Hodgkin's disease stretches the truth or not, does it matter? Yeah, of course it matters. Huh. And her release book agreement. Sounds really angry. Dropping out of PHE and assertion that you were enrolled as. Huh. Yeah, yeah. I wouldn't be surprised, you know? Wouldn't be surprised. No, this is a different trade technically from the other day. Um, when I went to bed on Monday morning, I think I was up to 70,000 unrealized, and what I took like 30,000 realized by the time the stream ended, and then I just set a bunch of different limit exits and stops and shit, and woke up and had 40,000 profit, and basically the trade was closed. Uh, a trigger wave is just a term we use for a smaller momentum wave after a bigger momentum wave. We call them anchors and triggers. Like this is, you know, an anchor wave. This is an anchor wave, and then it's just a higher, uh, you know, on when it's below the zero line, it's a higher low confirmation of a momentum clip. On the other side, it's a lower high. This would be like the anchor trigger. Fancy words. I always like the word anchor. I'm a boating man. Bowling man. We always call like the bowler, like the last person on your bowling team is the anchor. The last person at the blackjack table is the anchor. Holds it down. Got the anchor and then the trigger, man. Shoot. We be shooting them, throwing them things. A life-changing, money-longing Luna. Cashed out. Good for you, bro. What's that shit? You know, I don't know anything about this. You know, oh, whoa, whoa. Holy shit. Oh. Yeah, wow, damn. 24. I thought the. Oh, man. Oh, man. This would have been nice. Look at that. So here's your anchor trigger waves. Look at that. You got your anchor deep momentum waves, and look, it's slowly creeping up. Boom. That momentum creeping. RSI's coming up. Your money flow. You know, not the most beautiful curvature, but overall red coming into the green on that one. That's nice. Look at this one. Boom. Choppy. You know what I'm saying? Not saying I would have taken this trade. But, you know, you can see it. It's volatile. Why? What is Luna, bro? What is Luna? What's the special thing about this shitcoin? Yeah, I mean, just look at the momentum, right? It's already, you know, the overall swayed up here. So, you know, really, you'd want to, you know, you'd want to get in somewhere around here overall when it's coming up, you know. But hindsight's 2020. During the reality, it's choppy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 12 hour, beautiful. Definitely more beautiful on the 12 hour. But even oh, look at that trigger. Look at this tight trigger wave right here. This 12 hour. You see how it's been choppy? You know, red up, green down, green. This might be something here. Volatile. It is that what that this is volatile. This looks like it would break out and then probably come back down and fucking God knows what. You know? That's what this looks like. That's too much, man. That's too much shit for me. That's too much for me, man. I'm a simple man. Why? What's the deal with nickel? Why? Let me look up. Why is nickel That Google search didn't work. Does anyone know why? Russia, big producer. Okay, figures. I was gonna say, what is it? Something that's fucking. It's obviously a supply chain fucking Russian thing. Some weird ass little metal. Yeah. Yeah. Man, Mikael, I hope that's true. I don't know. I don't know what viewpoint with eToro is, bro. I don't know what the viewpoint is, bro. I haven't seen the Monero chart, but I bet that's a real privacy coin where if you send shit to the wrong address, you're really fucked. But I mean, uh, yeah, Monero, that's OG shit. Monero, uh. I don't see Monero on. Okay, so let's see if I don't see no 280 on Monero here, but uh, hmm, interesting viewpoint. Huh. Oh man. Oh shit. Yo, the coupon code. Totally forgot. All right, folks. A lot of you are asking for a Market Cipher coupon code. I know we haven't done any lately, but we're doing 20% off either option with this code. Realized 20. It is in the chat. Realized 20. Type it in the coupon box code when you've chosen an option. When prompted. First 50 people. There you go. Damn. I want a FOMO. I want a FOMO. Oh. It's a little slow-mo right now, but damn, this. Go to hella load. We haven't seen this type of it. We haven't seen this shape in a while. A very nice shape. VWAP coming up here. What time is it? Damn. Oh well. ETH, take a look. I'm actually a member of Gareth's Verified Crypto. I've been getting his signals in my email. I have not checked on them. But looking at his history that one time, they look pretty damn good. And I should check them out. Another drink. I'll be right back. Let me get some more coffee. Fuck. Oh, should have FOMO'd in. Damn. Where's Yeah, that's another thing. You know, it's a lot easier and safer to take a little more of a risk and add to a position when you're already in the green. Not when you're in the red. Oh well. Fire. All right. Oh, it's a good thing we didn't long. Now listen here, you little flopping gropers looking for a reason on every second. Oh, that's a beautiful Chinese trumpet. Like, what did we say yesterday? We said to get one big candle. Maybe a couple more. And so, he's gonna dance. You know, just look at the other candles, boy. What a beauty this one was. Just straight from spider line to spider line. Thick, robust, and strong. Pepper sat like a jepper. Little Polly swinging on the tree swing, sitting real just comfy. Then whip-de-woo, and then, you know, came back down. And we had this one. This one was robust. A little more volatile on the edges, but bigger. You see where it went. It went up to 44, 166. And over the next 12 hours, went down to 42, 600. Now, folks, that's a $2,000 swing. Now, if you were looking at these pencil necks in the chat, they'd be preaching Armageddon. Armageddon. They'd be preaching. They'd be preaching Armageddon. Right here. Or where. Right here. Right here. They're right here. One day a 3% swing, $1,300. What do you know it? Something about that number. Fuck, we should have longed. Damn it, we should have went in more. Should have went in more. There you go, Ripple. Yeah, fuck, we should have longed again. Damn. Yeah, man, the original plan. Yeah, yeah. It looks good, but look what we also have here. You know, we've been running in, so it came up, boom. This was the top right here, came down, beautiful, came up, boom. Here's a top little wave right here, boom. This is actually, you know, came afterwards on these larger time frames, and so, you know, where's this next? Is this just going to be a little like that? You know? I don't know. This looks pretty good. It's got money. It's got a little momentum, man. If this makes a little higher high wave, that could end up being a little something. Me likey. But still gonna look at the lower time frames. We can go pretty low to look for good solid entry. In theory. But since we have some cushion, I've locked in almost $100,000 profit already. That's a pretty decent day. If I want to, we got a little room to wiggle. Got a little room to wiggle if we want. Huh. Damn. USO kicking butt. Oh, jeez. Man. Did you guys get the coupon code? There was like 5 of you guys asking. Did you guys use the coupon code? It was 20. It's 20% off. Market Cipher. It's not about interpreting everything all the time. It's more of about when you see a confident move. I don't know what's going to happen. Market Cipher, I cannot interpret what's going to happen 100% of the time, all the time. But what Market Cipher does for me and tens of thousands of others is it gives you 5 times more windows of clarity than you would have had before. Yeah, more like 10x. Yeah, for sure. I was trying to be conservative, but yeah. Hell, probably 100x. Yeah, man, we have, like I said, from the best traders on any exchange on the in crypto that I know of, to teams of actual professionals that work for Sachs, Chucky Schwab teams, couple teams. Uh, one thing, one decent thing about COVID is a lot of these traders, most of them for Chucky Schwab, Ameriprise, Financial, Sachs, they work from home. If they were in the office, they wouldn't really be able to use Market Cipher. Wouldn't be allowed to. But when they're at home, they can, and so a lot more professionals. All right, I've been able to use Market Cipher since they're working from home. No, they don't, bro. Why are you being such a downer, bro? Get the fuck out of here, dude. Get the fuck out of here. People can be positive and happy about something that makes them better and work. Fuck out of here, bro. Fucking weirdo. NATO to offer Poland. I fucking hope NATO doesn't give Poland don't give them no jets. They better fucking not. They're so, you know, they could end this war so easily. God, they could. I really need to do my video on my manifesto of the Russia-Ukraine situation. Yeah, again, you know, on every single bounce, many mainstream other YouTubers talking about it's the bottom. Oh, right, we're in the bottom. You know, we ain't talking about that. We just talking, you know, this like 13% move. That's it. You're up 700% from a long night. Right on, bro. Take some of that money, bro. Take some of that money, bro. I hope your father's safe. Stay safe. Yeah, it's messed up. A lot of great Russian people getting screwed right now. A lot of people getting screwed. All people dying. So many people losing their lives from these pussy ass politicians and in the real they're talking Russian. The real oligarchs are these oligarchs making all this mess. Oligarchs. Oligarch. We need to make an oligarch lizard cartoon. His name is Oligarch. And he's like a lizard fucking weird creature. With Joe Biden's face in his neck. We need an oligarch Pepe. Yeah, I do want to do my manifesto. It'll cause controversy, but it's I would clearly state what I believe, what opinions from facts. Really, I'm just gonna present the facts. I ain't got no opinions. My opinions is we shouldn't be in this shit. The shit should have been solved. Could be easily solved. That's my opinion. But I know my facts. And these facts are easy because it's out there. And there's transcripts and videos of these certain people speaking. Things they said back then, things they say now. In 2014, the United States in Congress, when we funded literal Nazis. The only reason we didn't put troops there, they literally said, literally in transcript. I know we're going down a soul. We'll give them we're not putting troops on the ground because we can't do that because they're fucking Nazis. Their ideology is too extreme to do that. But we'll give them money. Now those weren't the exact words. I butchered the exact. I'm paraphrasing, but man, there's videos of all that shit. There's videos of the fucking Nazis speaking right now. Dude that said the Kiev, dude said Kiev would be a gay pride city if it wasn't for them. There are arguments that only 10% of their population are Nazi. Only 10%. Well, how much of that controls the power? They have a lot of power for that little quote-unquote 10%. Russia and Germany, Russia hate Nazi. Russia lost a lot of men from Nazi. Anyways, I'd rather try not to say all this stuff without me presenting, certain things, but I have been thinking about it, and I think I do want to do it, because I think I could make a good little video. My own girlfriend, 2 years after 2014, 2016, getting bombed by their own people. Yes, little boy, hello. You just come up out of nowhere and I have a cold nose poke me in the back of my leg. You poked me in the back of my leg where I'm sensitive. He sure is getting ran by him. Oh, but he's Jewish. He sure is getting ran by him. They said they would kill him. Sid, not right now, buddy. Not right now. What? 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 Dude's a fucking coward. If he really had courage, he would fucking end the fucking war. Stand up to and be neutral. Be neutral. Sure it can. Absolutely, Market Cipher can predict pumps related to news. It's always in the charts. Always in the charts, bro. All right, now what do you need, little boy? Do you want some ham? Do you want some ham and cheese? All right. Oh, we've been playing tunes, but I've been having to step away here. Hang on here.
Oh, well, this McDonald's said it's still going to continue to pay its employees. It's 62,000 employees in Russia. McDonald's is still going to pay them, apparently. They can't, because they can't ignore needless human suffering in Ukraine. There's needless human suffering all in every fucking country. There's a McDonald's. If there's a McDonald's, there is needless human suffering. I guess McDonald's wants to is going to close it's closing all their stores. McDonald's. Apparently, McDonald's, you know. Yeah, we're gonna pay them the same wage now that their currency's gone to shit. Oh, their fucking ruble's down to like, I don't even know how, I don't even know how much it's down. I haven't looked at a chart of the dollar to the ruble. Ugh. Okay, this is the dollar gaining strength against the ruble. Oh. Oh. This is, what's this? This is interesting. If this actually holds, there must be something we don't know. Yeah, they're still paying cheap gas. What's the Chinese? What's the Chinese? CNY, that's right. China has been just kicking our ass. What did I say? Did I not say 2 years ago, a year ago, that the Chinese yuan, the yuan was the yuan? Isn't that what I said? The yuan is yuan. Does anybody remember that? I don't remember how long ago it was, but I've been bullish on the Chinese yuan. For a long time. I'm telling you, man, your boy's got some foresight. And it's pretty, you know, I don't know. Ain't hard to fucking see, that's for damn sure. Fuck, we should have went on Bitcoin. We should have FOMO'd in. I'm telling you, we should be FOMO'ing. What's wrong with our dual bench strength? Damn it. You know, this is floating pretty fucking good. This is floating at this price for a pretty good time stable here. Fuck.
If you don't have Market Cipher, you don't know what you're missing. But now you know. You're missing life-changing opportunity, confidence, vision. I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. My brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. Brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. I came a long way from nothing, now I'm paddle shifter clutching. Hit the gas on a popo.
Shit.
No show, all eyes on me. When I'm in the Rari like I'm Tupac. And it's plain to see in my pant pockets I got
Man.
I just left the bank. Can't believe they ran out of hundreds. And it made me think, what the hell
Man.
the government got coming? It's a shortage on the chain, but ain't no shortage on these stocks. I'ma keep on making trades. Candlestick bust through the top. Market Cipher got me hella rich. Ain't no turning back. Taking chances like roulette. Favorite color red and black.
Ooh.
Fast for the street, so I had to take it to the track. I remember that apartment. I ain't never going back.
Oh. Oh.
Too fast for the street, so I had to take it to the track. I
Oh.
that apartment, I ain't never going back. I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. My brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. Brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. I got about 500 computers in the undisclosed location. Wanna learn how to trade? Join the Crypto Face Foundation. I'm just mining all these coins while I'm minding my own business. All this money that I'm making is gonna be a Merry Christmas. All this power that I'm pushing, I'm just trying to drain the swamp. Making Bitcoin great again, but my name ain't Donald Trump. Iced out like Antarctica. Push button, start a car. 300 pips in the green, call me Spartacus. Can't see my face mask on, I'm anonymous. Legally robbing banks, you can keep the hostages. Me and the team, I don't need no more accomplices. I said it and I meant it, girl, but I can't make no promises. Me and the team, I don't need no more accomplices. I said it and I meant it, girl, but I can't make no promises. I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. My brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high.
God damn it, we fuck.
Brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances.
Man, that damn it.
So if you resent and you
Man, I get every time I get up and
prosperity and money,
scratch my ass,
you will reject
fucking the price moves $300. Yeah, bro. I hear you. I hear you on the daily. I hear you on the daily. Looks very nice. It looks very nice. The R is tighter, but we also got to look out for
If you don't have market cipher, you don't know
for
what
this
it is.
potential top.
But now
You know, this wave's coming in, running there, but we got 1-2 candles. We got a day or two, bro. I feel you, man. I feel you, man.
confidence,
Feel you, man.
vision.
I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. My brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. It ends when I say it.
We'll just put in a little 300K so we're at least at a mil. And we'll do a hundo on ETH, which is whatever. Well, you know, sometimes we gotta contribute to the top. You know what I'm saying? We do that here. We do that here. We try to bust these walls. You know what I'm saying? I try to bust these walls, these balls. We've helped break some pretty cool walls back in the day. Maybe some of you have been around during those days. I'm telling you, this Chinese trumpet is real. It's... Oops. What the fuck? Man. Anyway, we're doing good. I just donated to a foundation last week. Did a nice little 50K donation to something different. Wasn't public about it or nothing. But, yeah. We donated 50K in the name of Market Cipher to Black Opportunity in New York. Black Opportunities. I told them they should pick up out of the Bronx and move to fucking Iowa if they really wanted to make a change. All throughout the time of humanity, animals and species, they've moved. But Bronx, New York for the hood ain't. If you really want to get out, your people need to pick up and fucking move. I said, bring your culture with you. Bring your fucking culture with you to fucking Kansas. Yeah, man, that Chinese trumpet is blowing its horn, man. I'm telling, this has been floating good. No extreme pullback, little something right here. You know, damn, man. And time is running out, guys. We're coming up toward the target, like, oh man, we're coming up to the target. You know, we gotta really think about taking what we give it. And being happy about it. Not mulling over what could have. What are we at now? So we're at 83 plus 11, that's 94, 95 with the change. 95. And then we got another 90, where we're at almost 200K. Yippee-ki-yo-ki, yippee-ki-yo-ki-yay. Yay. That's not bad, I suppose. I suppose we'll take it. Not bad. Yeah. Yes, it is. I don't know how long this is, but I mean, this VWAP looks nice, but I don't know how strong this extension, you know, would be, but it could be. Man, just overall, just this night. I'm telling the 12 hours still early. Still early. The daily still early. But we have much less time here. Unless it's a break, man. Unless if it breaks, then we, you know, it's possible. But I do believe chances are this is the zone to take your money and get the fuck out. I do believe we are in the zone right now to get the fuck out. What's my BTC record? 2 million profit live stream start to finish in about 5 hours. As far as the loss record, it was almost 400,000 one time, but about 300K. I do believe that is also the world record for the biggest loss ever live stream start to finish. Ooh, the FOMO's kicking in. The exchange flipped on the Coinbase price there for a second. Yeah. That's toppy. That's a toppy signal. The way things being. That 42.4 is pretty juicy. That's some juicy profit there, folks. Listen, if you're trading with money you need to feed your family, I really hope you're fucking taking some of this money off the table right fucking now. Right now.
You saved my fucking life.
Mark Henriksen, were you really there both times, bro? Did I throw the headset? I bet you I did. When I was dying through the headset. Shit, man. Well, Mark, I'm giving you mod powers, man. I hope, you know, you were there both times. I imagine you're a fan. Hopefully, you know, you're not a overt pencil neck. What caused? I'm pretty sure I was going for to break my profit world record. I don't remember. But I remember we got out of it. I'm pretty sure we ended up making like 50 or 70 grand. It was down 400,000. Granted, this was back when my positions were $10 million each. Ethereum and a Bitcoin. 20 million total. Shit like that. We were fucking cowboys. We were fucking hammer. What I tell you, this shit was looking toppy when this extended. We got a little sign. I'm telling you. When you see a pattern, when you see something switch, man, I'm telling you. That's shit you pick up with experience. This number flipped and was leading the Coinbase number. When that happened, something was fishy. That wasn't right. And now look at it. Damn. I've been keeping this account at like 400K. Like if I make 50K, I would draw it, make that 400K. In the past 2 days, I'm up like $200,000. Did payroll, took some money off of payroll. The merch support will check. And speaking of, our new merch line is, well, I want it to be public by the end of this week. Now, I told y'all, man. I told y'all that was the sign. I told y'all take profit right fucking now. Doesn't mean the price ain't gonna come back up. I'm just talking about right now, second to second, pencil necking, sitting here, wide-eyed and bushy-tailed, red-eyed and round-faced. Of course, we have pencil neck tees. And this time, they ain't gonna be no unisex fucking shirts and sweaters. If you wear a large and you order a large, it's gonna be a large before and after you wash it. Not barely a large, then you wash it and it goes down to a small. The numbers flipped between the Coinbase, this price right here of Coinbase, like right now it's 42.33, this price is 42.11. Price on the exchange has been trailing the price by somewhat $10 to $30 for a long time, and for a second it switched for the first time all day, or for however long I've been staring at these damn charts. This number flipped and the FOMO went over the controlling price. And that was a sign that, you know, something changed. Mistakes were made. And times like these, after major moves, all we got's the small time frames. The small time in after a big move, when there's a little volatility to unshortness, we look at the 1 second, 5 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. We look at every fucking thing. Start to see what things start shaping up. Things start shaping up. We start look for it bleeding into higher time frames. Right. So hopefully, for example, on this 5 second cut down, tight trade to downside, even on the bot side, this is a fight right here, and we're gonna be looking for this fight to, if we're bulls, eventually B1, really to start bleeding into the 30 second and the 10 second, and so on and so forth. Now, if we were looking at the 1 second earlier, we would have seen this shit coming down. But I'm sitting here talking about God knows what. We would have seen. Boy, I tell you, there ain't no money flow like ours. It is the most accurate measurement of money in the asset pair that has ever been created in trading fucking history. Ever. Best fucking ever. These are the bad times. We should have just walked away. You know what's funny? Is seconds ago we were at this. We were at 41.7, wishing we would FOMO in, and now we feel like the price is low when really it was even lower than this. Literally 5 minutes ago, we were sitting here scratching our head. FOMO wishing we were FOMO in at 41.7, and we didn't. $42,182. Jeez. That's where I FOMO'd in. We should have FOMO'd it at 41.7. Damn it. Okay. You know what's funny is I had a feeling if I played that song, the price would go down. So I'm gonna switch the song. I think we're gonna go up now, but that's just from the music. We need this 1 second to start churning out. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Now we got some green dots forming here. We got some potential here. We need this puppy to fight. Job, bro. Good night to you too, bro. Yeah. All right. Well, I tell you what, you know, it was kind of a joke. Was looking for hotels in Miami. There's a lot of like shitter little half celebrity owned boutique, stupidly designed hotels that are pink and just lame as fuck. And you know, they probably don't have good breakfast. They probably don't clean. It's just fucking stupid. Like, if I'm going to a hotel, I'm staying at mainstream. You know what? I can show you better than I can tell you. Let me pull up what I'm. Let me pull up this one specific video. It's got their presentation was terrible. Let me show you something. Okay. The Good Time Hotel. Okay, that's what it was. I believe that's what it was. Wait till I show you this stupid video. I think this was it. Okay. Wait, just... Okay.
Hey, Architectural Digest. Welcome to the Good Time Hotel.
Immediately. This guy don't look like he knows anything about the fucking hotel business.
Welcome to the good time. It's one word, by the way. It's one word. Why? Because it's just like one vibration. Good. You're gonna come here one way?
Okay, fucking... Like... Look at that.
Welcome to the good time. It's one word, by the way. It's one word.
Oh,
Why? Because it's just like,
look at this guy's face.
welcome to the good time. It's one word, by the way. It's one word.
Okay. This guy looks like this guy's like some like rapper celebrity or some Instagram asshole, right? Obviously he's you know, these guys spent way too much money for this fucking place. I guarantee you that they.
Because it's just like one vibration. Good.
Yeah, man. Well, one vibe. What the fuck?
You're gonna come here one way, and you're gonna leave another. Let's get
What do
started.
you mean come here one way and leave another? What the fuck? Just
Keep going.
look. What the fuck is this?
We're so excited to show you guys the library.
I mean, beautiful. It's like straight out of like what I want to say is like the mind of like Margot Tenenbaum. She was
Oh, jeez. Whoever the fuck that. I don't know who Margot.
inspiration just for like the overall tone. We wanted this to be a
Guarantee that place is dusty as hell. This is completely
place
useless.
that you could see in a Wes Anderson frame. That's right, Wes. Our partner in this, Mr. Kim Folk, he does not miss details. This guy, there's a detail for everything.
It's just so whimsical. That's why I love it. For me, it's a place in the middle of this oasis of Miami Beach. To be able to come here and just have a full Instagrammable moment.
Oh, Jesus. A full.
This is my
By the way, this is where I stopped the video. So, I, myself, haven't made it past 49 seconds. So, we're on this journey
To be a
together.
place that you could see in a Wes Anderson frame. That's right, Wes. Our
Oh,
partner in
he
this,
knows the guy. Oh, he knows the guy.
Kim Folk, he does not miss details. This guy, there's a detail for everything.
It's just so whimsical. That's why
There's
I
a
love
detail
it. For me,
for
it's
it.
a
Man,
place
these
in the
people
middle
are
of this
beginners,
oasis of
dude.
Miami Beach.
You know, I tell you, this is what the type of shit you hear from people that get in on a business that they do not love. They get in on a business because they were told that they could make a lot of money.
To be able to come here and just have a full Instagrammable moment, it's unbelievable. This is my favorite piece, is the giraffe. And we love the giraffe architecturally. Everything is different, but seems to all fit together in a magical way.
The way that Kim was able to make so many things work together, so many different textures, so many different colors all at once. It's a rare thing, you know, to make so many things work.
This is like your grandma's nightmare. It serves no purpose. Like when I'm checking into a hotel, I want to know if the room's good, is food, is there even other people there?
But we know we want you to be entertained at all times, so it has to switch up. It has to continue to be pushed, the concept.
You know what I really love?
Yeah, you're really pushing the concept. I bet there's really a lot of people reading these, going to the fucking
Is he took
library.
Classic designs and repurposed them into something that brings it to the next generation. Like a chair like this and changing the fabric, or an old school pleated couch, tufted couch like this, but make it pink. It just makes it come alive. And that's what I love about Ken, is taking classic features and bringing them up.
This is the Kim Folk show right now.
I mean, literally.
But
the
you
Ken
did,
Folk
but
show.
but
We're
you did a
supposed
great
to
job.
know who that is. You know, if we don't know who that is, we're not cool.
It's what he does.
Okay, let's see the rooms.
What I love personally about this hallway more than anything is that Ken Folk designed little wet footprints in the carpet.
Yes.
So it's like it's
Oh.
a little pathway.
Yeah.
All right, I'll let that pass.
Welcome.
That's
You get the view of the Miami Beach.
this is fucking horrible. And you know, These hotels are selling out for all these crypto. This is what some crypto nerd chooses that's never been on a trip before and doesn't make this. This is, I guarantee it's where all like the nervous Indians are gonna be booking.
Welcome. You get the view of the Miami Beach.
We don't want to be just another standard hotel room, guys. And Ken brought it all to life, including, we want you to have fun here. This is not a regular phone where you just dial for room service. It's a moment.
It doesn't even work. In fact, it's not even a phone. It just is a phone. That.
I mean, even
Boy, that's
down
fun.
to
I can't wait to. I can't
the
wait.
road, you know, like I have to do this. You guys, like for real, no. This is how you have a good time. Woo! Oh yeah. Woo!
This is the
Oh, yeah?
worst fucking sales pitch I've ever seen.
I'm sorry. Shall we go downstairs and have brunch?
Or some tea, some high tea.
Strawberry moon.
Oh, let's go.
The sound. Okay, listen to the sound of silence. There's no fan in this room. There's no air movement. That means if you fart, it lingers. If your neighbor's taking a shit, you can hear it. If you're with your girl and you ain't on that level yet, or you're not comfortable with flatulence, this is not the hotel you want to be in.
Get Ken on the phone. P and I are coming down to the pool. We'll meet you there. Now I have to show you the
Well, I got birds that shit in
I
there.
mean, but before we go, hold on. Before we go all the way there, like just you gotta take this in. This is different from when like you were owning and operating your own places of business.
This is another.
Owning your own operating business. These guys don't know anything about this business. I'm telling you, these guys were suckered in, just like it happens with clubs. These guys got sucked the fuck in. Let's go, baby. Let's go. These guys got suckered in.
This is another level, guys. Going from the restaurant nightclub business to the hotel business.
What did I just say? What did I just say? What did I just say?
Places of business.
This is another level, guys. Going from the restaurant nightclub business to the hotel business.
What did I tell you? Dude's fucking coked out. Going from the nightclub business. You ain't in that business no more. I know the business. It sucks. All they do is they get 5 to 8 guys to put up $750 to $1 million each, and none of them make a fucking penny. The place closes after 2 years, and it's a round Rosie the next 8 assholes with an ego that think they can have a piece of a club. And now these guys are on to the next shit idea, which is this fucking hotel.
I mean, if I just another time.
Soon. Oh, Ken.
I've been waiting for you.
This
Is the guy that fucked him.
We
is
got the baby blue wearing.
you can see why the
called it
attention to detail matters so much, right?
This guy doesn't miss. Forget a cuff.
Hey.
What about the cuff links? Like this guy?
Can you believe
You don't
it?
miss
You're
with what? What does he don't miss on? What does he don't miss on?
I was just
Standing
saying to him,
here?
like thinking about like when we were looking at renderings, and I'm just thinking,
All right,
wow,
just
this
fucking.
guy's-
Anyways. All right. I can't. But all you know. Anyways. Those poor bastards. How much is their hotel? Okay, they're charging. Look. These poor bastards are begging for $300-400 a night. What what they had to pay for that land, or what they're paying, they don't own that land. They're renting. They are getting so primo fucked. They should have opened up a rehab. That's where you make big fucking money with it. Oh man. Oh my god. Terrible. Terrible, these poor guys. Terrible. God, it makes me sick. God, I'm like sick to my stomach. You know, because I feel bad for them. I actually feel bad for them. Because I've seen these things. I know these things, man. You know, listen, I know we joke around, but your boy Crypto Face knows a thing or two about many business, man. I was in business consulting for one of the biggest Fortune 5, well, not one of the biggest, but a Fortune 500 company, man. I know my shit. I know I'm smart. I'm smart. Man, that ego, you know, that ego. Gosh. Oh, man. That was so try hard and terrible. And it's just nothing but a fuck money hole. Is it? Well, good for them. Is it always busy? It's always packed in Miami? You know what? I'll eat my words. No matter what we think about it, I hope they are successful. So they are in a great location, and you know what? If you say you live there, it's always packed. Thank God. Thank God. I hope they're gonna be okay. Tell you what, the amount of money that's sunk into that place, they have to be more than packed on a regular basis, man. You know.
Could be a winner of maybe it's just a shitter $100 worth of Bitcoin. Could be $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, or somewhere in between. How many games we will do, how many winners, we don't know.
Yeah, you come in one way and leave another. Whatever that means.
If you trade with market cipher, then they can't break you. Trade with confidence, dodge the consequence, crypto dominance. Gotta have heart, man. Gotta have heart. Trade with confidence, dodge the consequence, crypto dominance. You gotta have heart for this crypto, man. Gotta have heart. Stop loss, boss. Call it preventive maintenance. Gotta be smart, man. I'm the stop loss boss. Call it preventive maintenance. Everything you need is there, man. I know you resonate with this flow that I demonstrate. All up in the market like Pinocchio, watch me penetrate. Let it marinate. Profits growing like the bud do. Hodl all my assets like the Grinch. Merry Christmas, dude. Making major moves like the market on a bullish day. Taking profits, keep a couple coins in the ashtray. Know it sounded cliche. Cold wallet lingo. Crypto face, giving back. Come and play some bingo. 10-4, copy that and I ain't talking Kinko. Shit tokens at gmail.com. If you got the winning ticket, then come and get you some. We just trying to have some fun, whether it's a bear market or a
Yeah, what Pepto-Bismol pink for sure. That was Pepto-Biz. That's the kind of place where you pay $30 and get a tiny shit-ass drink. $30 for a shitty drink. Little tiny-ass beverage. And then you spill it.
market cipher, then they can't break you. Breakthrough. Resistance need to break through. If you trade with market cipher, then they can't break you. Trade with confidence, dodge the consequence. Crypto dominance. Gotta have heart, man. Gotta have heart. Trade with confidence, dodge the consequence. Crypto dominance. Scared man don't make no money. Stop loss, boss. Call it preventive maintenance. Gotta be smart with this crypto shit. I'm the stop loss boss. Call it preventive maintenance. Put the stop loss on, man. Huh? I know you resonate with this flow that I demonstrate. All up in the market like Pinocchio, watch me penetrate. Let it marinate. Profits growing like the bud do. Hodl all my assets like the Grinch. Merry Christmas, dude. Making major moves like the market on a bullish day. Taking profits, keep a couple coins in the ashtray. Know it sounded cliche. Cold wallet lingo. Crypto face, giving back. Come and play some bingo. 10-4, copy that and I ain't talking Kinko. Shit tokens at gmail.com. If you got the winning ticket, then come and get you some. We just trying to have some fun, whether it's a bear market or a bull run.
If you don't have market cipher, you don't know what you're missing. But now you know. You're missing life-changing opportunity, confidence, vision.
I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. My brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. Brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. I came a long way from nothing, now I'm paddle shifter clutching. Hit the gas on a popo, disappeared like a no-show. All eyes on me when I'm in a Rari like I'm Tupac. And it's plain to see.
Man, there is no, it wasn't made for news and done, it's just all a part of the natural process, man. If you want to know why and how we called this price action for the past 2 days. Watch this starting stream on Sunday night. Going into Monday and then today. But you got your top right here, your shit right here, your, you know, it goes up and down right here, and then up to here, and down a little here, and right to here. That's it. And we, listen, our targets have been the targets to take lately. I'm not just talking about yesterday's 1,300 up to 39. You know, just lately, man, with just the moves, you know, again, like, we're not looking, this shit don't go infinity one way, infinity the other. You take what the market gives you, and the idea was, you know, on the scalp, we took the 1,300 move up. And we said there's that, but over the next 24, 48 hours, we're looking for one of these big candles over the next few days, you know, just to get up here and create a lower high, and we got our big candle. So we go boom, we got boom. We were looking, figured there was one coming soon, and boom, there it is. And you know, look at these ones. After this big candle took, you know, these are 12 hours to 24 hours. This one even took even more to get up there. But now we're later in the trend. So again, this is profit zone taken really here. Really, this isn't add more zone unless you are already in a very profitable position. If you haven't been in no positions, man, you know, you know. You do you. Or like I say, me do me. This is a better looking daily than it certainly has been. Beautiful money flow curvature coming up. Momentum coming up. The RSIs are green. We are facing a little divergence of momentum here. On the top side, it's going to be a fight right here. We are in a selling market. So this could be a little bit of green and come right back down. Start all over again. Or not. Maybe. This could be a good move with all the shit going on, and fundamentally this would be good backup. It would be good backup to, you know, fairly far around. Maybe to the upside. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out. Again, we just trading this shit. If you believe in this shit long term, you know, you're bullish either way. But we here to make money in between. In between. Slicing the beef. We're here to slice the beef.
The market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. The market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. Only one logical thing to do. Don't trip by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip by the dip. Get my chips and dip. Hollow coins and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market looking bearish. By the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip. Sour cream and onion dip. Scoop it with some ruffle chips. Sink them like Titanic ship. Bartender, here's a tip. Crypto face is the truth. He can even show you proof. This is market cipher school. Rory made you say, ooh, wish I had one too. Making plays on trading view. Waiting on a blue triangle. I just call it Blue's Clue. Portfolio diversified. Keep my balance classified. Scared to look, you terrified. But when you did, you almost died. All good before you went to sleep. Woke up to a surprise. Couldn't believe your eyes. Where the hell did your money go? my God. What the fuck happened? Bitcoin dumping in my sleep. Woke up to a market sweep. That's the reason I don't sleep. Keep my eyes on the prize. Bought some Hex and Cardano. Fear of missing out. FOMO, that's a no-no. Yeah, I know, bro, but I still do the shit. I'm just trying to hit a lick, so I think I just might buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip, buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip, buy the dip. Get my chips and dip. Hodl coins and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market looking bearish. Buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip. The market crashed on me, but it's not my ass, homie. Time to rise up out the flames like a motherfucking phoenix, flying high in the sky, and I motherfucking mean it. Put it all on the house, I can't help it cause I'm greedy. Got a family, gotta feed it. All my followers, man, they need me. We can all get rich together, talk about financial freedom. BTC, ETH, XRP, that's a threesome. Three-way. Blockchain tokens got your boy really eating. Cryptocurrency is a gift from God. All praises to the Most High. Help me beat the odds, playing smart so I don't get wrecked like you pencil next. Wear a crew, call me Spider-Man the way I spider line. Enter with precision, then I exit trades right on time. Might tell you a secret, but I'll never drop a dime. Favorite pastime, sitting back, watching candles climb. If they go the other way, keep calm and don't trip. Buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip, buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip, buy the dip. Get my chips and dip. Hodl coins and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market looking bearish. Buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me.
What percent of my account do I use when I trade? Well, I don't really do it like that, bro. Because in this business, I'm a realist. What's in my account, I trade it all. But what's in my account is small. I withdraw. And I typically have a set amount that I am willing to trade with. For example, this past, I know times have changed and your boys, you know, we ain't doing 10 million to $10 million positions no mo for now. But like right now, like my number's been like 400K this past month. And so now I'm at 600. So what I do, I'll probably take 150 off the board and then start with 450 again. And that's pretty much, that's what works for me. You know, sometimes, you know, it'll 1 million, sometimes 3 million, 500,000, 400,000. Right now, I'm kind of digging the 400,000 with the leverage I'm using and whatever, and just to different folks, different strokes. Can't really answer that question how I go about taxes. I went through about 9 different people, and the 10th one I finally found the tax guy that works for me. And yeah, I can't go into all that, bro. Basic strategy, Amar. Same thing. All time frames, man. Fatality. Yeah, I sure do. I need to be this year. I need to pay. I'm paying way less fucking taxes, man. I really got. I pay way too much in fucking taxes. Way too fucking much, and I've learned a lot. So I think this next year I'll be able to. I'm gonna have to, because they'll take everything. They'll take fucking everything. And I'm okay with paying taxes. I believe in paying fair amount of taxes. And to be honest, you know, there's ways to work things where really I could probably pay damn near nothing if I wanted to, but I ain't gonna do that, obviously. Everyone should have a flat tax rate of 10, maximum 15%. Should be bottom tier 10% for fucking everyone. And if you're a rich self-made motherfucker, 15%. Maximum. Why don't I move to another place in the world? Because money don't control me. That don't my life doesn't move around because of money. And I am a man of my soil. I'm a man of my soil. I have enough money to get bent over and fucked in my ass from taxes to be fine, but still, I ain't moving just because that shit. I mean, who knows? Those shit could get really bad. There is no other place. I love my Is there anything exciting going on in the charts? What time is it? Man, it's kind of early. Damn, she is thick. And you know this the way this pattern is a change. You know, we were talking about change when we were just looking at the minute price action when we got to 42,400 and we saw the numbers flip. You know, that's a change, and so we said that was going to be most likely a top. You know, when we look at it macro, we've been staring at this, and I've been looking at this, and I could just, this is a change. This pattern, this is a change. This is a 2017 familiar pattern where we'd see this and go burp. So, you know, what am I gonna do? Sit here for 12 hours, 20 hours, and you know, what am I gonna do? Stay here for 12 hours until it happens? Is that what you want? Is that what you guys expect me to do? Missy Chua, that's the 4th time you've asked people for money in the chat, and that was your last time.
Fucking Windows 98!
Fatality. Fatality.
Fucking Windows 98!
It's gonna fucking dump! You understand me?
Yeah, I might have to go scratch my ass again so the price goes up $300. Yeah, it's hard to tell, get some immediate answers, you know, right now, but we are thick in the green. I mean, even if it has a pullback, I mean, but damn, this is the first time we're on the hourly too. It's powerful. You know, this is a trend, like a beginning, obviously the beginning up move trend. First time we broke over the 60 line. Well, shit, this one only did it one time too. Yeah, man, you know, it's all about, is there going to be enough juice for it to break through the spider line in this force field here, you know? Got a chance. It's got a chance at bat. He's got a chance. Still overall decreasing on the money flow, little hit. Well, I just got poked by a cold little nose. I got poked by a cold little nose. Yeah, fuck. You know, but what was this one came down too, but look, I mean, it fought and it held right here. So we're gonna see. I want, if this comes down and this ends up holding again, that'd be a good sign. Yes, little boy. Ooh, you're cold. You must have been outside. But yeah, I think it's probably time to wrap it up. Play some video games. Oh shit, we're gonna play some video games. Huh. You're so handsome. Look at this big chest in your mane. Look at your chest with your snow cone nose. Your little round black eyes. You are so comfy to snuggle. And I can breathe through your hair. Other doggies, we can't do that. But your hair is special, huh? You have special hair, huh? You know, these dogs are hypoallergenic. I can breathe right from his hair, and it's just cleaner than normal air. You're my little air filter of hair, huh? Alright, get out of here, boy. Wow, he just shocked me, and it went through the microphone. There was a little... I just got shocked by my dog, and it clicked on the microphone. What? Tom can say whatever the fuck he wants. What, buddy? Let me feed this dog bones.
Ugh. Yeah, did you guys hear? You guys heard the shock, huh? I've never had that happen before. He's a Samoyed. You know, I bought that Samo coin at the top too and dumped. At least they still post on Twitter. I wish it was a better coin, but it's still a Samoyed coin. And I have some. I bought the fucking top too. I bought the top and lost a good penny. Thoughts on BBBY? I am still in the short. What's the pre-market say? Damn. Hey, what's up, Dow? Dow. What's my average price now? Originally I got in like up here, but then I added more. It's 27, 24, 27, 11. Let me see. Okay, now my average price paid is, that's funny, $27.11, 11.24 cents. So 27.1124. So 20. So I'm up 15%. This is a absolute shithole retail that's going in the dumpster. And I think it can go more in the dumpster. Anyways,
Okay, pre-market, it's at 22.86. It's up $1.15. It's up 5%. Bed Bath and Beyond. So, 22.86. Which is where it's at now. Cool. So it's kind of, it's already basically on this chart right here. So, never mind. Yeah, I was wrong. The pre-market is at 23.64. It is up 3.4%. Yes, Bed Bath and Shitter. Or Bed Bath Shitter and Beyond. Shitter Bath Beyond. Bath Shitter Beyond. Trying to, what really rolls off the tongue? Shitter Bed Bath and Friends. Bed Bath Shitter. Cardano. Shitter Cardano Bath Beyond. Shitter Cardano. We're just gonna call this Shitter Cardano from now on. There's the crypto Shitter Cardano, and then there's the Shitter Cardano in the stock market, which is Bed Bath and Beyond. Okay. So, look at this. We are keeping our eye in the land of the blind. One eye. It's fighting. He's fighting. He's fighting, boys. It's I want a FOMO. I'm feeling greedy. Gotta fight the greed. We gotta fight the greed. We gotta wait. Bloodbath and Beyond.
What, buddy? I don't want to go to bed. I just gave you food. All right. All right. No, he knows it's not bedtime because we slept all day yesterday. So I got my sleep. I'm good on sleep. All right. Here's the deal, folks. We're gonna have an intermission, all right? You know, I from what I see now, I don't really see anything crazy happen right now. I mean, it could. I don't know. I just we're in that middle of the night where you know, we just had a big fucking move. So I think you know, we'll probably be back in a good few hours. But that's no promise and no guarantee. But for now, it's been a jolly good stream. Oh, now we're pumping. And you guys know I can only leave when the price starts to go up, or else these pencil necks start accusing me of being in a cartel. Damn, and the music has to start popping off too. As soon as I want to leave, music starts popping off. Alright. I'll see you guys a little bit later. Good stream. And, yeah, man. Hopefully, like I said, to be honest, we should be happy and profits should be taken. I have taken my profits. Over half of my original trade, I've closed. I got almost 95,000 here. No, 94, almost 95 realized. Closed in the bank. And we got another 80 grand
floating that we have not sunk in yet. So, until next time, see y'all. Good times. We had a good time. That hotel review was fucking funny. Alright, get dumped on. You guys are all about to get fucking shit on. Just kidding. Hopefully not. But if it does, I got nothing to do with it.